What's up, y'all? It's Boss Lady here. I'm back with another video. I'm doing a vegan Polish boy. So we about to make some coleslaw. Just all the ingredients that you see. So we're gonna take that coleslaw, we're gonna open it up and put it in a bowl. We're gonna take some vegan sour cream. It's optional. You can put it in put it in a coleslaw if you want to. Some vegan. Ooh. Some vegan mayo. You can put as much as you want to put in there. I put in there as much as I want to. Some mustard. I do a little bit of white vinegar. What else I use? I use a little sugar, but don't use sugar, y'all. Start using natural sweeteners. Like you could get agave, get some Tony seasoning, slap your mama, a little garlic powder, onion powder, salt, black pepper, and paprika, and you just mix it all up. I forgot to put the black pepper and the paprika in this clip, but you gonna see it in the next clip. And you should mix it all up. And you can have your coleslaw as dry as you want to or as wet as you want to. I like my food wet. I'm sorry. I don't like no dry ass food. That's why I said the black pepper and the paprika. And you just mix it all up and you put it in the refrigerator. You know, when you're done with it, put it in the refrigerator, put a lid on top, you good. So you use your fries, the fries that you want to use, and I'm using these plant-based sausage links or whatever. So I'm gonna fry up the fries first. Once I fry up the fries first, then we go do this is the barbecue sauce I'm using. Sweet Baby Ray's. Not the honey kind. There's the vegan hot dogs that I just put in the grease after the fries. What's up, y'all? It's Boss Lady here. I'm back with that vegan food. What's up, y'all? So today, we're going to be making some vegan Polish boys. If it ain't vegan, I don't need it. So, baby, I'm about to show y'all how to build this Polish boy together. Okay, so now, we're going to get some bread. Yes, baby. Oh, this is. I already put my hands is washed, so don't let that bother you. I already did the Polish boys. I fried them in the grease. I showed you those steps in the beginning. So we're gonna build it up. Ooh, let me get a fork. See, we gotta get some of that. We're gonna get some coleslaw. Good. And then we're gonna take a few of these fries out of here. A few. I say a few, but I like a lot of fries. I like a lot of fries in mine. We're gonna take some barbecue sauce and we're gonna load it up. Just that simple. You just gotta cook everything at once. Oh my God. Okay, so now we about to get a bite into this. So if y'all missed them Polish boys and y'all used to eat Polish boys before y'all were vegan, or if you're trying to come on to the vegan side, come on over here. I'm gonna show y'all how to do this. So let me show y'all what it tastes like. You got it. Ooh, look. Now I'm about to. Ooh, let me taste it. I'm about to taste. Ooh, my mouth watering. Mmm.
You gotta shout the cook out, though. Huh?
I know business.
Who cooked it, though? You speak English?